Bullish Algorand cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 74 cents and $1.40 by 2030. Market investigators accept ALGO could reach 57 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 13 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its commencement in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital money framework. The cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has in this way lost most of these additions, experts and sites that conjecture costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? We should analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which intends to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement procedure called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval panel are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood cache appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost immediately fell a day after presentation. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stockpile that would be conveyed bit by bit. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public sale throughout the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Regardless of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the monstrous measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more likely figure the breakdown of the value of ALGO's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought ALGO through confidential position adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fengfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter asserted that early supporters had presented the drive to unreasonable dangers by undercutting and unloading coins. As per Worldwide Coin Exploration, Algorand's specialized investigation. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of ALGO's cash expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, in spite of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, in the end hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various elements could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins joined the dauntlessness of government-issued money with the decentralized qualities of digital currency. Algorand has arisen as a cutthroat option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a joint effort with the transient currency market exchanging stage Instamatch Worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a large number of dollars of exchanges at regular intervals. El Salvador, in August 2021, proclaimed that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital money framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an untouched post-send-off high of $2.38. The cash finished at $1.63 regardless of Algorand having recently delivered an update that improved shrewd agreements by empowering them to be written in well-known programming dialects like Python and Reach. Since LimeWire, a record-sharing programming, picked Algorand to run its NFT commercial center, ALGO has encountered some rebound. In the wake of arriving at a high of 97 cents, the token held at 80 cents. At the point when FIFA declared its collaboration with Algorand, it demonstrated that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain-upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, an all-inclusive implosion saw ALGO exchanging at 36 cents lows. Algorand is as of now worth 16 cents USD. ALGO has moved 2.96% as of now with an exchanging volume of $31,080,051. Algorand is as of now positioned 141 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,207,008,112 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The ALGO cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 24 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 23 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 19 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Algorand ALGO cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a LGO will before long outperform 41 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ALGO's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 33 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 36 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 57 cents and ALGO might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 52 cents and a low of 49 cents in 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Algorand effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 74 cents, with a base cost of 66 cents and a typical cost of 69 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 85 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 82 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ALGO has a most extreme value worth of 90 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.02. In the event that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.07. Neglecting to assemble the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 99 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2029. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.16 and a yearly cost close above $1.24 in 2029. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Algorand will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be